at Heuston Station, and I'm seeing my most favourite locomotive of all time, the 201 class. Here she is. There's my favourite locomotive. But the 201 I'm looking for is way over there. There it is. There's another 201 class, and this one is about to depart. In a few minutes' time, the 201 class over there, but behind next that train over there, the class 22,000 will be departing in a few minutes. Here we go. The 201 class is departing. Up it goes. And here comes my favourite part. Thank you very much. Up it goes. I can always rely on 201 class. And there goes the class 4000. But look what I prefer is the one at the front, the 201 class. My favourite locomotive.